Good morning. It's like 7 a.m. Just kidding. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We spent all morning in bed, basically. We're exhausted. People are going to think all we do is complain about how tired we are. But anyway,
it's Vegas.
Kind of ruined our plans. Head into the pool now. We're going to hang out there. And then it's Western night tonight, so that should be fun. So we'll check in from the pool. And we'll talk to you then. We normally don't do beers or buy alcohol at the pool, but
What are you gonna do? Up.
there was no way that I was buying, excuse me, see, there's no way that I was making drinks this morning. Correction, this afternoon, because it's almost 3 o'clock. So, bucket of beers it is, for now.
What do you think of that beer?
It's good. I'll never guess where I've had it before.
Your favorite place on earth?
Yeah, they have it at Epcot. It's pretty decent.
Well, this pool is pretty awesome, but
The sunlight.
it loses the sun.
Exactly
What time is it?
3:24.
But it is a beautiful, like, little spot oasis in here.
You can order from Bouchon
Yeah, you can order food from Bouchon,
at the pool.
and the drinks come from Bouchon too. Well, I think we're gonna wrap things up here
And then what?
and then go gamble.
So at the Venetian South Tower pool, they have a wrap around the door so you don't burn your hand when you open it. It's a nice touch.
Very posh. Very posh.
All right, as you can tell, it's Western night. What does that mean? I don't know, really, but
We'll see where the night takes us.
you got to come to Vegas in December. I got all this stuff at NFR. They have Cowboy Christmas.
And it's the best
It's
thing
at
ever.
the convention center. It's amazing. Anyway, tonight we've got dinner at Bavette, and then afterwards we're gonna hit up Aldean's, that's the Western, and then maybe if we have time, Old Red. But now we're on our way down to the casino. We're gonna play some video poker
Stadium Baccarat.
or Stadium Baccarat over at the Plaza. So
We will
on the
speak
move.
to you then.
All right, we made it to the video poker lounge. Well, not a lounge, bar at the Venetian. I don't even know what this is called. It's like their center bar. We'll see how it goes. Couple hands in.
Now we just
Full
need a
house.
royal flush.
Yeah, I just need a royal flush. Heidi's on the Prosecco's. I'm on the water.
The sure thing.
This was dealt a dealt flush that's one away from a straight flush. But I think I gotta go with the sure thing. So I did. Fucking finally. Sorry for saying fucking, but I wasn't that long. We had 2 drinks. We got
Could we do a Cosmo?
Cosmo?
Yeah, thanks.
got quad 6s. Unfortunately, it wasn't quad 2s or 3s or 4s or an ace, but I'll take the quad 6. We're
We got it, baby.
up like $13.
We're on Easy Street now.
Front Street. We're on Front
Oh,
Street.
Front Street.
The Front Street of $13.
Plus the $4 from last night.
No, I was including that.
Oh,
so,
that's
yeah,
right, that's
we're up 13. So this is
Hey,
better
we're
than
not losing yet.
better than losing 13.
Yeah.
All right, after a quick little, well, up was over there. A quick little hit on, oh, I didn't cash out.
Hurry up!
So, a rookie mistake. We were playing video poker there at the center bar, and I left without cashing out. Luckily, I remembered before I got too far away. Ran back, it was still there. Crazy. I can't believe I did that. After
Don't
all
drink
these,
and drive, folks.
You know,
or drink and gamble.
how wild. Anyway, we're on the move. We're heading towards Park MGM.
We will talk to you soon.
Alright, I usually don't play at Caesars. Well, we're at the Cromwell. And,
But he had to because it's a Cromwell. And
somebody's
it's cool.
feet were hurting, so we had to sit down.
Yeah.
So I was on this craps machine. I'll show you guys my strategy. I'm only gonna use dollar, well, because I'm up 13 bucks. And God forbid I go below. So what I do, so imagine the ones were $5. So I do the, well, still got a point on. So let me try to get a, let me try to get through this point, and then I'll show you what I do. Well, the son of a bitch. There it is, right there.
Try it again. That's what you guys don't want to do is 7
Yeah,
out.
well, so to get a point set, I always just lay the 10 for the whatever the minimum bet is.
Come out, roll. The less you bet, the more you lose.
So here we go. Ace deuce.
Line away. Pay the dough. Single the
4, sorry, we got a point of 4.
Down behind.
Take
Single
the 3 down.
The point is
Right.
4.
What I usually do is go buy, place, place.
Take odds. Lay odds.
Buy.
Stand bet. Field bet.
That's what I do. But I'm not going to do that because I'm up. So can I do buy, place, place? Buy. That way I'm still up. So now I've got the 5 and 9 bought, and then the 6 and 8, but usually everything's a nickel. So I got it for less here because I don't want to go below. So I hit the 8.
8. Down behind. No field.
So then I would clear all my bets,
Place your bets.
and then usually I go place for 3, place for 3, buy for 2, buy for 2.
Place your bets.
And then even if you 7 out here, you're only losing like $3 because a $5 bet's gonna pay like almost $7 on a
And
6
if
or
you
8.
keep clearing and not 7ing out, you double.
Well, so now I'm gonna go bye-bye. It's basically a regression strategy. I believe you got to get your money off the table as fast as possible, and then play with house money. So then I go for another hit. 9. I got a 9.
9. Down behind.
So I'll collect that, repeat last bet, and then from here on out,
Place your bets.
theoretically, we're playing with casino money, and we just keep going. So I'll do a press and collect strategy. 11 doesn't help.
11. Take the dough.
Unless you're playing with him.
Well, you never play the field. 6, all right. 6.
Nice.
Collect
Down
that.
behind.
Actually, we'll press it. We'll press up. I always press the sister. And a 7, of course.
7.
Anyway, the strategy is a little bit of regression, trying to get your money off the table. I'm still up $9. And I'm even playing here at Caesars, which I never play at.
Subscribe for more tips and tricks.
Yeah. All right, we're on our way to Park MGM eventually. So we'll check in later. Hey, we made it to the Bellagio. And we're on another foot break.
We are. Look
we're
at
gonna
the
go to the
pointy
Trojan bar,
boots,
but
though. Admire them.
it was.
He stepped
Wait,
away.
there's like a huge party going on in there. But I think we're gonna throw some in pinball, and then have we got an hour and a half till our dinner, so.
I will speak to you then.
All right, we are whatever 100
I sat here
minus
for a
something divided by 3. All right, we're down to 85 out of 100, so 15 bucks, so 5 spins. It's hard doing math, guys, when you're vlogging. Vlogging's a tough job.
That's 3 spins.
Yes, what I said.
You said 5.
No, we're $3 of
Oh,
that.
yeah.
See, I told you, math is hard when you're vlogging. Anyway, we got
Let's go. We got 5 shots.
5 shots left.
5 shots.
Sorry, I'm moving. I
Button?
hit the button. All right. There we go. Go ahead, hit it. $15. So we're
Our
back to
money's
even.
back.
So everything here is profit now. 10. Wow. Fantastic.
We got 3 more. Don't fret.
Wow. So we're up 20 bucks.
2 more.
Wow. 30 bucks.
Come on, we
Come
need
on.
at 80, baby.
100. Why stop at 80?
Well, yeah. One of those. What he said.
15.
Okay, well, it's fine.
So $45.
Okay, we'll take it. Yes, baby.
All right, that was quick. We were sitting here, like I said, 5 spins. So I think we'll take it down to. No, actually, we're just gonna cash it out.
We don't do backups, okay? We just cash out when
Cash
we're
out.
up,
We
like
hit and run.
smart people.
Hit and run. Hit and run. And now I think we'll walk through the conservatory and make our way over to Park MGM. The tram. We almost didn't make it. Heidi almost. She almost wasn't here anymore.
You'll get to know me and understand that I fall all the time.
She almost went head first into the wall in the
Hey,
Bellagio.
I supplied comedic relief for
But she
like
stayed
those
up.
4 guys behind us.
Yeah, she stayed up. She didn't go down.
Somehow I always
She lost her phone, but she didn't go down. We made it to Juliet Cocktail Room, Park MGM. We found this place last trip.
And we ate at Bavette's, and then we came next door and played some video poker.
They have good drinks here, so we're on the video poker. And they got Fiji here. And we have like an hour, just under an hour till dinner. We'll see what we can do in video poker. All right, we got 3 aces, looking for a 4th one.
Come on,
Need the
big
4th
money,
ace.
big money.
Big money, no whammies.
We still got
we
3.
Didn't get it. This bacon is like
More
a
like
half an
pork
inch
belly.
thick. Yeah, it's ridiculous. What do you think?
I've never had anything like it.
This
It's horseradish.
Horseradish
and I
sauce?
love horseradish.
is outstanding.
And the
then you
au
get
jus
an
might be the
au jus.
best au jus I've ever had. And then the sandwich is the best sandwich you've ever had.
Yeah.
So combine all of that together,
I mean, my burger's good, but it ain't that.
and the bread.
Yeah, it's
It's like bouchon kind of bread.
it's fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, but that's
2 words, food coma.
what'd you think?
You must go and have the French dip because I don't even have words to explain how good it was.
Yeah.
And we've had a few in our life, so
Run, don't walk to get the French dip.
yeah.
It
It's
started
better
off.
than their steak. It's better than
Yeah.
anything.
Started off a little weird because they sat us next to this family, and listen, I love kids and all, but
Bare feet in my face.
yeah, the kid had basically her feet in Heidi's lap. The other kid was running around on the bench or whatever the hell we were sitting
Yeah.
on, couch. It
Parents
was,
were drunk. They didn't give a shit. So
yeah. I mean,
you should bring your kids if they're well behaved, but do not like make it a
Yeah.
mad pool party, okay, at the vets.
yeah, but then they left, and then we were walking to the
The ride share.
ride share. Then they left, and it got way better after that. At first, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I was gonna complain or what because the kids were being so wow, they're actually ruining the experience. But once the food came, it was fantastic. I've had the steaks there. The French dip is the thing to
It's
get.
blown everything
Yeah,
away. You must try.
It's-
Die must try.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
All right, right now we're gonna bail on Aldine's, and we're gonna head back to the Venetian.
We'll take our country little party over to the Venetian versus Jason Aldean's
Yeah.
because we're exhausted.
All right, we'll see you over at the Venetian. Anyway, we're back at
Back after it.
back after it at the old Cleopatra at the Venetian. See if we can do better than last night. I don't know if we said, but we got rinsed at the video poker.
We're
At,
basically just drinking drinks and getting
Yeah, we
spending
had-
money to have drinks.
3 or 4 cocktails,
Fine.
but we're down 100 in the video poker at the Park MGM. Maybe we make it back here. All right, just hit a $92 line pay on the old Cleopatra. 920. We're up. 85.10. Might take it down to 150. Oh, we're waiting on a bottle of water. Well, that does it for another night. We're down there for a bit, nothing of consequence. And then we came home. Well, we were home, but now we're
We're
going
really
back.
not this boring, guys,
Yeah.
but he has a cold and we slept like shit last night, so we got a little sleep to make up for.
Heading back to the room, and we'll see you tomorrow.